This 2020 Winnebago Horizon 42Q is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Winnebago is 43 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, water heater, awning, DVD player, slideout, Colorado detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, TV, LP detector, oven, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bath, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. This 2020 Winnebago Horizon 42Q is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.